Hi, today I'm doing a review on this Pull-Start-Recoil Starter cover. This starter cover was gifted to me in exchange for this review. Now on this, I'm going to start off by saying it is very easy to replace this. There's just a couple screws that you would do for the cover, and then to screw it back in, that's all you would need to do. On the back here, you can tell that this pull start is really quick and is very tight and will be long lasting. This you can replace a go-kart, a mini bike, a lawnmower, lawn equipment, basically anything. If it fits it, it'll do it. Replace many different engines. Just check to see if your engine, this would be suited for your replacement or not. On this, I can tell you that the metal is high quality. All in all, I think this is a great replacement cover, and I suggest it.